Have you ever wondered what happens to cherished family wealth or gifts after you say, "I do"? It is a common question for many who are planning to get married, especially when family legacies are involved. The good news is, yes, a well-drafted prenuptial agreement can absolutely protect separate inherited property. It is designed to clearly define what assets remain as individual property, even after marriage, preventing them from being classified as marital assets in the event of a divorce. The fundamental principle here involves the distinction between separate property and marital property. Generally, an inheritance received before or during a marriage is considered separate property. However, this status can be lost through a process called commingling or transmutation. Commingling happens when separate funds are mixed with marital funds, such as depositing an inheritance into a joint bank account. Transmutation occurs when separate property is used for the benefit of the marriage in a way that suggests an intent to make it marital. For example, using inheritance money to significantly improve the family home which is owned jointly. A prenup proactively addresses these scenarios, ensuring the inherited property retains its separate character regardless of how it might be used during the marriage. To effectively protect inherited property with a prenup, you need to clearly identify and list all such assets within the agreement. The prenup should specify that these assets, along with any income they generate or appreciation in their value, will remain as your separate property. It can also outline specific rules for how these assets can be used. For example, requiring written consent from both spouses if separate funds are to be used for a joint purpose, or establishing a reimbursement clause if separate funds are used to improve marital property. Maintaining separate bank accounts for inherited funds and excellent record-keeping throughout the marriage are also crucial practical steps. One of the key benefits of a strong prenuptial agreement is its ability to override default state laws regarding property division. Without a prenup, state laws, which vary greatly, would dictate how inherited assets are handled in a divorce, often leading to complex legal battles where you might have to engage in tracing the origin of funds, which can be an incredibly difficult and costly endeavor. A prenup provides a clear roadmap, reducing ambiguity and potential disputes, thereby honoring the original intent of the inheritance and providing peace of mind for both you and your family. Ultimately, a prenuptial agreement offers a robust layer of protection for your inherited property, safeguarding your financial independence and honoring family legacies. By clearly defining these assets as separate, it simplifies potential future division, minimizes emotional stress, and allows you to approach marriage with financial clarity and confidence.